Now, let's learn the concept of electrical conductors and insulators. Some materials that allow electricity to pass through are called electrical conductors. For example, like a metal wire. And the materials that do not allow electricity to pass through, we call it as electrical insulators. For example, like a rubber band. Now, let's see how can we test for conductors and insulators.
Set up a circuit with a circuit board, a dry cell, a bulb, and 3 wires. Keep the circuit open by not connecting 2 of the wires. Test the materials provided by your teacher by placing each of them into the circuit. For example, the bulb lights up when copper wire is connected to the circuit. But the bulb does not light up when a piece of wooden chopstick is connected to the circuit.
From the video, we can say that the metal wire is a conductor, but the rubber is an insulator.
Try to find out which materials are electrical conductors and which are electrical insulators.
Now, from the result of the experiment, so we found that metals are electrical conductors, but most of the non-metals are insulators. Graphite is an exception. It is non-metal, but it can conduct electricity. Now, let's have a summary in here. Write the materials that allow electricity to pass through, we call it as conductors. And the materials that do not allow electricity to pass through, we call it as insulators. And the metals are conductors, while most non-metals are insulators.